वामिका है जो वो मतलब मैं वामिका तनीषा को बहुत रिलेट करती हूँ अपने आप से। मुझे भी जब मैं स्कूल में थी तो मुझे भी मेरे से थोड़े बड़े लोग पसंद थे 11th-12th के। जब मैं 10th थी तो आई यूज्ड टू लाइक 11th-12th के लड़के। तो इसी तरह से मैं तनीषा को थोड़ा रिलेट करती हूँ। देयर इज निधि जो महक प्ले कर रही है निधि का रोल, तो वो ऐसी ही है, वो एक्चुअली में 16 है, तो वो ऐसी ही है, चौपी सी बबली सी, बात करती रहती है, हंसती रहती है। तो एज सच एंड अनु आई मीन इज़ा, she's a model and she's playing right, you're playing a girl who wants to be model. So it's like कि हमारी फिल्म में इतनी रियलिस्टिक है कि हम जो कैरेक्टर्स भी हैं वो एक्चुअली में ऐसे ही हैं। तो आप सोच सकते हैं कि हमने बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिंग नहीं किया है, we just played ourselves.
मिस किया आपने अपने कुछ 16 के एज को?
He's like so did you miss your 16 years when you were 16? So did you miss all that?
Yes, all that
during the shoot.
I wish I was 16. Still, yeah, we had fun shooting. I mean, I was playing a girl. She was saying that it's similar to me in real life, so we had fun. I miss my 16 years old.
So, which is that thing about 16 which you can never forget in your life?
About the film or about our when we were 16?
The film also, if you can just share about, if you want to share about your real life.
In the real life, which is the best memory that you can't forget.
Okay, first
just talk about the movie.
I read your that interview now.
With the film.
With the film or in my life?
With the film and with
And
the
real life, both.
Let's talk.
I think, yeah, in real life and the movie it's the same thing, because it's just about 16 when you want to go out with your friends, you know, like, and your mom, she's not allowed you to go always, but you always want to go, like, it doesn't matter if she say yes or no, you're like, I want to go. And yeah, I missed that, yeah. When I was 16, I just was telling another interview that I used to hang out with my friends a lot, and one time I told my mom that I'm going to my friend's house, like close to my house, and then I went to São Paulo, that it's like 3.5 hours flight from my city with all my friends, and she thought that I was just 30 minutes from my house. So, I mean, I had fun when I was 16. You never think about the consequences, you know, you just want to do it, just wanna enjoy, you never think what's gonna happen. So yeah, it's a nice age. You just need to be careful a bit.
जब मैं 16 की थी तो यार मैं बहुत ही I was very, you know, I was a very serious child. मतलब not that serious, I mean serious not in that sense, but bunking करनी ऐसा कुछ करना, I never used to do that. वैसे I was a very चौपी सा बच्चा, but bunking वगैरह नहीं करती थी. I wish I could I would have bunked my class. Yeah.
I used to do that a lot.
Really?
Yes.
अच्छा, जैसे कि पोस्टर में जो लाइन है कि जो 16 साल की उम्र, साली उम्र और बाली, तो आप कितना मानती कि जो 16 साल की उम्र होती है वो साली होती है या बाली होती है?
पहले बाली होती थी। हम पहले कहते थे स्वीट 16, यू नो, 16 उम्र की बाली उम्र को सलाम, एंड अब हम कहते हैं 16 उम्र की साली उम्र को सलाम, सेक्सी 16, यू नो। तो हमने थोड़ी डेफिनेशन चेंज कर दी है। वैसे एक्चुअली डेफिनेशन चेंज हो चुकी थी, हमने सिर्फ बता दिया कि चेंज हो गई है। इस फिल्म में ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जो हमें नया दिखाया एज इन कि जो आपको लगे कि यार ऐसा तो नहीं होता, जो हम दिखा रहे हैं वैसा सब होता है, हम सिर्फ दिखा रहे हैं कि हाँ ऐसा हो रहा है। तो हाँ, तो हमने बता दी है फिल्म में कि 16 उम्र की जो 16 उम्र है वो अब साली हो चुकी है।
So what you have to say to the audience? Why should they go to watch the movie?
Our film is a very, very realistic film.
Yeah.
You can relate yourself, you can relate your friends. अगर आप 16 की नहीं हैं तो आप मतलब आप तब भी फिल्म देखेंगे तो आप अपने 16 साल की उम्र में पहुंच जाएंगे। और अब कहीं ना कहीं आपको लगेगा कि अश्विन का कैरेक्टर या तनीषा या निधि या अनु ये कहीं ना कहीं मेरे क्लास में होते थे। हाँ, एक लड़का था जो अश्विन की तरह था या निधि की तरह था, तो कहीं ना कहीं आप अपने आप को भी ढूंढेंगे कि हाँ यार मैं भी अपने 16 ईयर में ऐसा था या मैं अभी हूँ ऐसा। तो हमारी फिल्म बहुत बहुत रियलिस्टिक है, आप जाके देखेंगे तो हमारी फिल्म में एज सच कोई प्रीची मैसेजेस नहीं है कि आप ये कीजिए, आप ये नहीं कीजिए, you should, I mean teenagers should not do this, or you know, do's and don'ts we haven't given. ऐसा कुछ
And
भी
it's
नहीं
not
किया.
about 16 years old in India. It relates like about 16 years old. 16 years old. It doesn't
Yeah.
matter in India, Brazil.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just the way they have been behaving. You know, like it's not about that they created something. It's really realistic.
Exactly. So, what was I saying?
So it's really nice. You're gonna have fun. There's drama and they're having fun. It's a nice movie.
Yeah, so you should just go and watch it. I guess जब आप देखेंगे फिल्म तो हम yes, I was saying कि मैं फिल्म में as such कोई preachy messages नहीं है. It's just कि अगर आप जाएंगे फिल्म देखेंगे, जो भी आपको अच्छा लगे, जो भी आप खुद सीख कर जाएंगे, we'll be very happy अगर आपने हमारी फिल्म से ये सीखा वो सीखा. हम कोई सीख नहीं दे रहे हैं. आप अगर कुछ भी सीख के लेके जाना चाहते हैं आप लेके जा सकते हैं, बट प्लीज हमारी फिल्म देखिएगा जरूर. 12th July 16 is coming, so please go and watch it. Right?
Yes.
So both of you, will you like to speak any of your favorite dialogue from the movie?
Oh no.
You have any
I don't remember.
okay, I have a favorite. I mean, आपने ट्रेलर में देखा होगा. ट्रेलर में सबसे पहला सीन होता है which actually just आपको पूरी फिल्म का बता देता है कि this is, I mean, this film is all about this. So it's like Vicky asked me कि I'm very upset. I'm having मैं cigarette पी रही हूँ तो पूछ रहा है. So imagine 16-year-old she's smoking and ये नहीं कि वो smoke करती है. It's just कि because she thinks कि बड़े लोग smoke करते हैं तो मैं भी बहुत अपसेट हूँ तो मैं भी स्मोक करती हूँ, you know. So it's like that, you know. So he just asked me कि first crush. I'm like, hello, I'm 16. So it just, you know, shows that hello, I'm 16. You expect कि मेरा first crush होगा? No, I've had a lot.
But
of
you can
crushes.
smoke, right?
Yeah. So I like that dialogue. That hello, I'm 16. Yeah.
What about you?
No.
That dialogue, no. किससे पिट क्या रहा है?
Yeah, I had many dialogues in Hindi, which I don't remember now because we shot 1 year ago. So don't ask me difficult questions. Yeah.
Any of the shortest dialogue? जो भी सबसे short हो.
I want to be here.
Yeah, I want to be here.
Yeah. So.
I don't remember seriously. Yeah, it's been too long. Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
Thank you.
Anything else you would like to share?
We can sing this.
No, we cannot. You can.
I can sing that song Sola by
Yeah,
Risky.
sure.
I'll just sing one line.
Just go.
It's not even one line, it's like half line. It's just like, you dance.
You want me to hold something for you?
Okay. 1, 2.
I don't know how to sing it.
You dance, no? 1, 2.
I'm
1,
not.
2, 3. 16 बरस की साली उम्र में सलाम.
Okay.
That's it.
I don't know how to sing yet. But
Yeah.
yeah.
So thank you so much and best of luck.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
आपको पंजाबी आती है?
हाँ.
अलग लग रहा है, क्या बोल रहे हो?
Punjabi, right?
Yeah. In this
हाँ
kind.
जी.